Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi May. In today's video, I want to talking about how to connect the front camera to the BMW Android screen here. Some friends ask me if that's possible to install both reverse camera and front camera at the same time. Now, today I will tell you how to connect it. This is the front camera, the power cable for the front camera, and video cable for the camera. When you buy the camera, it will have these three parts. Now I will tell you how to connect it. Here, front camera connect to this, and this is the power, right? In the video cable, you can see there's two cables like this. Here, like this. One side connect to the power. Here, connect to the power like this. Connect to this, and this yellow cable connect to yellow connector here, like this. Okay, and the other side, in this side, this cable connect to this. Connect to the cable from the power cable of the Android screen. Here it have a label camera 12. You can see here. This cable will offer the power for the camera, so we need to connect like this. And this side connect to this cable. Here it have a label FF camera in. That means front camera in the RCA cable here. And the RCA cable connect to the Android screen on the back here. Just like this. Now I will show you how it works. When you reverse the gear or switch the gear to the drive mode, this power cable, it offers 12 power to this, and this, it will go to this. The power will go to this and go to the power for the camera. The camera will active. It will work. It send the video signal go through this and go to here and go to the Android screen. That's correct. But you will ask me how to connect the reverse camera. Here, this is the reverse camera, backup camera, right? Now I will show you how to connect it. You must make sure to connect the power from this cable here. Here, the reverse camera, right? The power here. They are the same way to connect it here. And this cable connect to this cable. They are the same, almost the same here. Connect to like this. And then in the other side of video cable, this is the power you need to get from this cable, camera 12 here. You need to connect like this. See? And this cable connect to the real camera in here. It have a label, real camera in, connect together. Then we'll be fine. So we can say both front camera and reverse camera get the power from this. The connection is the same here.